Climb inside the 2008 Ford Ranger. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.